The future of lighting is now. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, lighting represents 40% of the average commercial building's electric bill, but 80% of commercial buildings still use lighting systems installed before 1986. It's time for a change. There's an amazing new lighting solution designed for dramatic energy savings, longer life, and better illumination. A lighting solution that uses 40 to 70% less energy and lasts up to 100,000 hours. A lighting solution that can withstand a wider range of temperatures. A lighting solution that offers better illumination. A lighting solution that gives you the fastest return on investment in the industry. It's called induction lighting. Lower energy costs, lower maintenance costs, longer life, better lighting. For example, replace metal halide and save 55% or more with equal or better lighting. Replace T12 indoor fixtures and save 70% or more in energy costs with better lighting. Induction lamps last 5 to 10 times longer than other lighting. On the left is a metal halide bulb. On the right is sodium vapor. Notice the light in the middle doesn't flicker. That's the induction bulb. And that's not all. It produces less glare and gives off less heat. With induction lighting, you'll get instant start and restrike, plus better color and illumination than halogen, metal halide, or LED lights. Induction lighting is available in a full range of color temperatures and wattages. It's a proven technology. Millions have been installed over the past 10 years. It's time to light up your bottom line with energy savings, longer life, and lower maintenance costs, plus incentives and rebates for a blazing fast return on your investment. The future of lighting is induction, and the future is now.